Hi everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House. Are you tired of hearing from me? I hope not. I have another layaway package for you, and it is with our most popular products, which are the electric mixer and the high power blender. So this is a different package. You might be interested in it. You might already have the blender. Now it's time for the mixer, because you do have to choose. It's one or the other. So the electric stand mixer only weighs 14 pounds. It's easy for you to move around. It has suction cups on the bottom, so it stays put wherever you do put it. It has a 7-quart bowl, nice and large. You can make 13 dozen cookies. Has a great handle on it. It also has a shield so that when you put your ingredients in, they don't splash back up. Comes with 3 different paddles. One is the regular paddle, has a whip, and then it also has a dough hook. And then there's 10 different power selections for you to choose. So this is our stand mixer. I use it for way more than just baking. I use it for meatloaf and meatballs and cheese sauces and anything that I can to save me time. The next up is our high power blender, and this has been a #1 seller since the company first introduced it. So many people are drinking those healthy smoothies, and it's perfect for that because you can put your fruit in here whole and it'll just pulverize it. So it has 3 programmed channels already. One is for your smoothies, one is for dips and spreads. You can make homemade salad dressings, and then the other one is for hot soup. It makes hot soup in 7 minutes. It's amazing. So this is the large high power blender. And then as an extra that I'm putting together these packages, we have a brand new item that I think you're going to love. I just don't have it yet. I'm waiting. It's coming any day. And this is the Rotary Grater. Have you seen the little videos on this? It's so exciting. So this is an item that, again, will suction cup right to your counter, and it has 3 different drums with 3 different levels. So one is a coarse grater, one is a fine grater, and then one is a slicer. So it's like a Vegematic. It's great for your salads. If you're a salad eater, you're going to love this. And you can shoot out your cheese. You can use it for dark chocolate. So many different things. Nuts. Love this piece. And then also a brand new item, I don't know if you can see it, but we have a pizza cutter. And so this is the package that I'm giving to you. It's going to have your choice, okay? You have to choose either the stand mixer or the high power blender, and you're going to get the grater and then the pizza cutter as well. 2 brand new products. So these in the book are $6.19. The grater's $139. The pizza cutter's $39.95. Never pay full price with me. So you're going to see that this is a package that I've put together, and it's just $556. You can start it with just a $115 deposit, and then you can make 10 payments of $41.63 each. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be more than happy to help you and get this all situated. We ship anywhere in the United States. It ships as soon as it's paid in full. So if you want to pay it in full right away, you can, or if you want to take a little bit of time. You can take up to 10 weeks, but you don't have to take 10 weeks. I have 4 different blender packages, so make sure that if you're seeing this video, you see the other ones too, because you're going to have to choose which one is best for you. All right, I will see you next time.